वेल फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं मिसलिनियस क्वेश्चन करवाऊंगा 3 डायमेंशनल के, जिसमें प्लेन, स्ट्रेट लाइन और स्फीयर के इक्वेशन के सारे सवाल होंगे। और वो उसमें वो सवाल भी होंगे जो कि एनडीए में पूछे गए हैं, और वो सवाल भी होंगे जो एनडीए में नहीं पूछे गए या पूछे जा सकते हैं। दे आर पोटेंशियल टू डू। मैं थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट दोनों को मिक्स सवाल करूँगा, और दोनों को मिक्स करने के बाद मैं आपको फिर सवाल बताऊँ किस टाइप के सवाल। पहले बेसिक बताऊंगा जो कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, वो रिवाइज करवाऊंगा। पहले तो बात यह है कि इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन की बात हमने की। सेकंड वीडियो में हमने इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन पढ़ा था कि वो किससे पास करती है, x माइनस एक्स वन अपॉन ए, वाई माइनस वाई वन अपॉन बी और z माइनस जेड वन अपॉन सी। एक स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन थी। दिस इज कॉल्ड सिमेट्रिकल फॉर्म, और ये सिमेट्रिकल फॉर्म है हमारी जो पॉइंट x1, y1, z1 से पास करती है। एंड व्हाट आर ABC? What are ABC? ABCs are the direction ratio of the line. This is the direction ratio. It tells direction. You identify one line passing through a point and direction given to it. Number one. Number two, the equation of the plane. Equation of the plane. What is the equation of plane given to us? AX plus BY plus CZ plus D. Okay. Do you know what this is? General form of the equation. General form of the equation is the equation is not the plane. This is the plane. Okay. This is the normal. Well, what is the direct? And this is the equation of the plane. Then what is the direction ratio of the normal to it? What is the direction ratio of normal to it? That one. This is what you want to know. If ABCD are the plane equation, then what is any linear equation x, y, z has this. So look, what is the A here, B here, C here? This A, B, C, they are the direction ratio of the normal. These are the normal. This is. Remember, the coefficient of x, y, z, these one, if you remember, A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1, we derived this equation, uz minus z1. This is the equation of the plane which passing through the point x1, y1, z1, x1, y1 and z1, and they are this is and have direction ratio of the normal is ABC. This is what we have. This is the one point. So equation of the plane. Well, my question now is, this is a plane, this is a plane, and this is a line. This line intersect here. This is the point of, this is the equation of the plane, and this is the line. How to find the point of intersection? First of all, how to find the point of intersection of the line of a line to the plane. To the plane. There is a one plane given here, the equation of plane given like this, and the line is given this by this. Then how to find the point of intersection? What is the step? Step number one. Step number one, this is equation is equal to constant, is equal to constant, is equal to r, is equal to k, whatever. You find any point on this, any point on the line. Find any point, let any point on the line. What is any point? Any point x, y, z satisfied karega. So this is equal to what? AR, x1 plus AR, and y1 plus BR, and z1 plus what? CR. Put r value is equal to 1, you find one point. Put r is equal to 2, you find another value. Point. Take any value of r 1 by 1 and you find the another point. So any point. The arbitrary r you are taking, you take half 1 by 4. कुछ भी लेंगे आप वैसा ही पॉइंट आ जाए. How many r value you can put? You can put any real number. Therefore, so many points on this point. So let's take this point as this point, any point. And this point now going to satisfy. This is known to me, this is known to me, all are known to me except the r. This satisfies the equation of the plane. Satisfy the equation, and get the value of r. And when you get the value of r, you find the point. This is the process of finding. So you find the values like this. You have got the question. Suppose I got this line, this plane is equal to 2y plus 3z is equal plus z plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is, suppose this is the plane, and equation of the line is suppose x minus 3 y plus 1 upon 4. You can take any value like this. I want to find the point of intersection of this line with this. I want to find the point of intersection of the line with the plane. What is the point of intersection? Take number 1, take any point on this. The point is 3r plus 1, okay, 4r minus 1 or 2r plus 4. This point is this, let this point be, and satisfy this point here because this lies on the plane. So therefore this point will satisfy 2 into 3r plus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 2r plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's say 6r plus 2 plus 4r minus 1 plus 2r plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So 6, 10, 12r. 12r is equal to 10. Therefore r is equal to 10 by 5. Oh, not 10. This 8, 10 is equal to 9. This is equal to 9 by 12. And this is 3 by 4. Put this 3 by 4 here and get the value. The point is this. Point is this. This is the point. In examination, suppose he has given line and the plane and you want to see whether the point, what is the point of intersection, and if he has given the point of intersection and you don't want to go this, there is a trick. There is a trick. Point is here, this point must satisfy this equation. This point must satisfy the plane. You get the satisfaction done. Quickly put the values there, see whether they are satisfied or not. If they are not, no answer. If they are satisfying both of them, that is your answer. So, while you are doing the question in the exam and there is a one point of intersection he asked, then you can go with the only substitution and verify the answer. That is one part. This was the first point, how the point of intersection of a line with the plane. I hope you understand that one. The equation of the line is given, equation of plane is given, and you want to find out what is it. My next question is, this is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, and ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line and this is the equation of the plane. If we are given this part, is equation of line and equation of plane. Well, friend, I want to find out the angle between them. What is the angle of, what angle it makes with this one? What is the angle this line makes with this? This line and this plane is given and we have to find the equation of, we have to find the angle between the two. What is the angle? Friends, how to find the angle? We know the direction ratio of this one. This let me take this as A1, A1, B1, C1, A2, A2, B2, C2 to make differentiate between them. The direction ratio of the line is A1, B1 and C1. Okay. What is A2, B2, C2? What is these are? These are the normal to the, these are direction ratio of the normal to. This is direction ratio of normal. We know the direction is, when equation of the plane is given to us, then we can find always the direction ratio of normal. This is the direction of this is line. Okay, what angle it makes with the line makes with the plane? This angle is theta. So this angle between the normal and the line will be 90 minus theta. Okay. Then cos 90 minus theta is equal to A1 into A2 plus B1 B2 plus, now apply the same which we have done in vectors, we have done in the solid geometry earlier. The angle when two lines are given to us, how to find the angle between them. This is here and this is sin theta is equal to. Sin theta is equal to A1 A2 B1 B2 and summation of A1 square and under root. Well friend, this is I am writing this A2 square under. Well here we do sin theta. Instead of cos theta, this is sin theta. Well, okay. My next things are this. Suppose this line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to. What is the condition that a plane condition is? What is the condition that a line is parallel to the plane? What is the condition? line is parallel to the plane. How we can, what is the line condition is when there is no angle, and there is no angle. Angle means sine is equal to 0. 0 means this is all 0. It means a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal to 0. It means the normal is perpendicular to line. Normal is, this is, the normal is perpendicular to the line. Therefore, a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, they are equal to 0. Number 1. This is that. Well, this is the one. And what is the condition? What is the condition that this plane, the plane and the plane, the line is perpendicular to the plane. The line is condition number 1. Number 2, line is perpendicular to the plane. There is a, here, what this one, the line was parallel to this. Line is parallel. Here this is the condition when line is parallel to the plane. And here line is perpendicular to the plane. Okay. When it is perpendicular to plane, it means it is parallel to the normal. Normal or line, they are parallel. Parallel means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That's it. And the two lines. When two lines, when the line is perpendicular, line is parallel, and this. My next question is, when the, what is the condition when the line lies in the plane? The straight line lies in the plane, lies on the plane. What is the condition? Lies on the plane. This line completely lies on this plane. What is the condition? What is our condition that the line is lying on the plane? What is the condition? What is the condition that our line is there here is on that part? What can be done? Here we have the condition that the line is lying wholly. What that? I said parallel. I said perpendicular. I complete lying on this. When complete lying on this, it means it is very clear that the line normal will be perpendicular to this. First condition that line will be perpendicular to it. First of all, the condition will be it is lying on the normal to it. This is one here. First condition is the normal will be lying on it. Number 1. Normal will be perpendicular to the line. Number 1. Secondly, the point on the line will satisfy the equation of the plane. Will satisfy the equation of the plane. Well, this is the second condition. Whenever you choose to find whether the line, straight line, like this or not, it is you have to choose that it is here we have to see whether these conditions satisfied. That means when the normal is perpendicular to this, number 1. Number 2, that it is the point on the straight line will satisfy. Let me do 2-3 questions based on this, and so that the fundas are very clear to you. That will be here. Before I go to that, let me ask one question. Here, ax plus by plus 7z plus 8 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 3y plus 14z plus 7 is equal to 0. Suppose these planes are parallel. Suppose they are parallel. If they are parallel, okay. What is the value of a and b? What is a plus b is equal to? What is a plus b is equal to? A, B, C, D. Say 10, 14 and 16 or 19. What is the value of this? Tell it. I'll give you 2 minutes to think over. Let's think over and find the answer. Just get the answer how this can be done. Let's do. Give me, I just want just chance to you to give answers. Come on, think over. What I say is that they are parallel. So when they are parallel, what happens? When they are parallel, when two planes are parallel, it means they, when two planes are parallel, so their normals are parallel, the two lines. Therefore, direction ratio of A upon 2 is equal to B upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 14. My answer, of course, wrong. I just take up this one. Wrong answer. This is equal to what? 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. I made is 14. Okay, maybe answer correct. Yeah, come on. Sorry. This is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to what? 1. And B is equal to 3 by 2. So answer is 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and none of the above. So answer is easy. They are proportional, A upon 2, B upon 3, and 7 upon 14. And from here, you calculate the value of ABC, and that's here. So this was a simple question. When they are two parallel, that means we have ratio of their direction ratio should be proportional. My next question is, if x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 1 upon 3 and z minus 3 upon 4, cuts here, cuts this 2x plus 4y plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. What point? He has mentioned the points. He has mentioned the point. Points are 2 by 5 minus 1 over 10, 1 over 5 minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 over 10 minus 1 over 5. C is 2 over 5, 1 over 10, 1 over 5. And this is minus 2 over 5, minus 1 over 10, 1 over 5. These are the 4 points. And this question has been asked in NDA. The NDA question is asked. This is the question that NDA has been asked in 2005. So, kindly tell us what is the equation of this one. What is the equation of the plane that we talk about? Equation of plane given is 2x plus 4y, and equation of line has been given. You have to only answer what is the point of intersection. I said to find a point of intersection, you can ask to join. इनको आप चेक कर सकते हो. चेक करने के बजाय टाइम ज़्यादा तो r लो, और यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट होगा 2r प्लस में r, 2r प्लस में 2, 3r plus 1 and 4r plus 3. Put this value here. 4r plus 4, 2 से multiply, 4, 12r plus में 4 and z only. 4r plus में 3 plus में 1 is equal to 0. Calculate 16, 20r, and this is equal to 4, 8 and 12 is equal to 0. R is equal to minus 12 by 20. Minus 3 by 5, 4, 3 by 5, put the value here 3 by 5, 5 into minus 3 by 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 2 is equal to 4 by 5. There is a 4 by 5 anywhere? No, I made somewhere mistake. This is the answer. 2r plus 2, 2r plus 2, 3r plus 1, 4r plus 3, put in the value here. Is equal to 4r plus 4, and this is equal to 12r plus 4, and z is equal to 4r plus 3 plus 1, 4 r 20 4 4 8 8 और 3 12 12 4 से 8, 11 12. So here 12, 4 5 4 3 well, my friend, my answer is not matching with it. The question given here. Let me check the question. This r is equal to the, let's put that value here. This is x minus 1 into 2 x minus, sorry friend, here it was 1, this was 1, x minus 1, I took x minus 1, y minus 2 3, 2 3 4, 2 this, well, this was 1, so plus 1, this is plus 1, so this is equal to 2 into 4r plus 1, here it is 2, and this is equal to 2 plus 8, this is equal to 10, this is, well, we have got, this is 4r plus 2, 12r plus 12r, this x minus, this is equal to 2 here, sorry friend, I made another mistake, this is equal to 8 here, 8, and this is equal to 12, 14, this is equal to 14, this is equal to minus 14 by 20, this is equal to minus 7 by 10. Let me put the value here now. First point is this, 2 into minus 7 by 10 plus 1 is equal to minus 14 by 10, this is equal to minus 4 by 10 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Where is minus 2 by 5? There are two places minus 2 by, these two goes. And this is same, this is the same, no to check, this to be checked. 1 by 5 minus 1 by, I will put it this value here, it is equal to minus 28 by 10 plus 1 3, this is equal to 30, it will be minus, so this will be equal to, this is minus 2 by 10 is equal to, plus, to answer is equal to by 5, so D is my answer, I will keep D is my answer. So this is the question which I made slightly mistakes by writing the, so you sometimes make mistake when you write the questions, the statement, so be careful. I have done it. So sometimes I do like, well, next my question is, final question is, the final question is, this is the line, x minus 1 by 2 and x minus 1 by 2, y minus 1.0 and z minus 2 upon 3, and the plane equation is 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 0. This statement is, the question is, number 1, this line, number 2, which one is the correct, which of the following is correct? Number 1, the line lies on plane. Number 2, the line is parallel to the plane. Number 3, line is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, and 4th, none of the above. This is the question finally. Then I will do one more question about the sphere, or afterward sphere. I will do the next one to go. Not today, the next. Because I have another video to play. Well, to see whether they are parallel, whether we have the condition. When suppose this is perpendicular to this, then the direction ratio of this line is equal to 203, and direction ratio normal, they must be proportional, where it is not there. Therefore, this is not perpendicular to it. If they are parallel, if the line is parallel to the plane, then normal to it must perpendicular. Normal to it must be perpendicular. It means this into this plus this into this plus this into this must be equal to 0. This is 6 plus 0 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, done. It may be there, but he says it lies on the plane. When it lies on the plane, this condition also satisfied. This condition also satisfied. When perpendicular to the plane, when parallel to the plane, and this one condition satisfied. Well, I say first or second, ये लिख सकता हूँ. Okay. Second thing, whether this is parallel or it is lies on this. When this is lies on this, when we say that the line lies on the plane, so that means this condition will be satisfied. When the line, the normal will be perpendicular. When I say this plane is there and a line lies on this, the normal to plane must perpendicular, number one. Number two, the point on the plane, point on the line, this point is 1, this is 1 and 2. This point must satisfy the plane. Let's put it 3 plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, it is there. Therefore, it is also this condition satisfied. Plus further, it lies on it. Therefore, my answer is 1. And it's a 1 or 2. Okay, done. This is the 1 and 2. That. So, these are the questions based on the plane and line. That plane lies on it, or the straight line lies on the plane, or what angle it made. I hope this is we have made clear the question that, and you can expect such question in your examination. So therefore, be careful and understand the concept. The normal to the plane, what direction is normal, and direction ratio of the straight line. How they parallel, when they lie, all three conditions you have to watch and find the angle between them. This is very important. I'll take one more video on question on spheres and furthermore question on plane and straight line. I'll be having one more video regarding 3 dimension, and after that we will do the complex numbers. Thank you.